All right, fellow AMC stockholders, XMAX Trading here. Just want to go over the latest DD on AMC and why it reversed from the lows. So let's get started. Traders add $150 billion to the market cap of AMC and GME and 48 other meme stocks in 2021. So this is an interesting report, kind of short, and I'll go into some technical analysis of AMC, what I think is going on. But this is an interesting article. Without a doubt, AMC market participants can agree the fact that 2021 was the year of the meme stock. What happened, according to Bloomberg, traders added more than $150 billion to the market cap of GameStop and AMC, and 48 other stocks to be used as a proxy for the meme stock craze. Some of these stocks were placed on restricted trading lists by Robin Markets Incorporated, Robinhood Markets, the Hood, because of volatility. After the Reddit-fueled rally, it sent AMC and GME soaring. Retail kept momentum going in communities such as Wall Street Bets, which led to sustained positive price action through the year. Nobody's on Wall Street Bets anymore. I think it's kind of on the downside because of bots, and they think it's been sold out. A lot of people are on Twitter now. On what was the other one? Twitter or Super Stonk or whatever. They're not really on Wall Street Bets as much. The meme craze wasn't just limited to the stock market, with a retail interest in meme-based cryptocurrencies such as Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Floki skyrocketing. As of Thursday morning, Dogecoin has a market cap of $28 billion, and Shiba has a market cap of more than $25 billion. Much of this value can be attributed to retail interest in meme stock and meme crypto movement. Earlier this year, data revealed Reddit users have become more interested in crypto than meme stocks. Yeah, I don't know, maybe. Only a month later, this trend reversed after Bitcoin and other crypto came crashing down. We can see the rotation out of crypto and back into stocks favored by Reddit crowd. Price action. Yeah, blah, blah. So that's retail is a huge force. Retail is a huge force now. I think hedge funds who are long want to use retail. They want to use that and figure out. So let's see. Look at the. This is not. Alrighty, so let's look at AMC trading view wise. So we have AMC here. So why I think AMC could reverse? It might be on the down low for a little while, but I think AMC reverse. First of all, it's the end of the year. There's tax loss harvesting, which I've learned about. Yeah, they're going to settle in their gains or their losses. So some institutions may sell AMC, but not financial advice. This is not. They may buy it back next year, especially with AMC debt being bought up. Increasing cash flows and hit movies coming out like Top Gun 2. I mean, we have Spider-Man coming up. We have Matrix 4. We'll have Top Gun 2. We want to get through the Omicron situation for the next I'd say 2 months. But then warmer weather, more vaccines, and I think we'll be okay. So you see this long candle wick. This is the daily. Let's look at the 4-hour. But anyway, yeah, it's sort of it bounced. It bounced off this level. Bam. So stochastic is on the buy side, going to reversal. So I think it's going to go up. This may lead to a triangle of some sort, but we'll see. So yeah, these long candle wicks. And I think December 1st at 14:30, it ended on a green note. It wasn't ended on a red bar, but on a green bar. So I think that points out to reversal. So and there's a gap right here. So I think this is pretty interesting. 4 hours. So MACD is in the bearish territory, but I think at some point it's going to reverse on the hourly, start coming back up. I have the Fibonacci lines, just looking at from this point high to point low, and we got rejected here, the 0.382, unfortunately, came back down. Yeah, got rejected here. What is this? The head and shoulders, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder. Boom, go down. Stinks, but whatever. What you can do, and it interacts with this one. All these long lines here. Boom, bounces off. But the other thing too is that if you look at it, indicators, Bollinger Bands, is that sometimes you break the lower part of the Bollinger Band, and a lot of times the stock price will come back up to the median here at least. If it's obviously keeps bouncing off the average in the Bollinger Band, it's bearish. So this was because the bearishness ends at some point, and then there's a reversal. So there's a gap here, and it came back up, met the gap, but hit this upper Bollinger Band. Went back down, stinks, down, stinks. So I think we'll see what happens, right? I think either it gets stabilized at the levels, maybe it'll go back up. But it's unfortunate that this is happening. I'll start using Bollinger Bands more. Let's see. One day. It does not like it on there's so much price action. I can't handle it. Yeah, in the 4 hour, it really broke it. But I think it's going to come back up. This will come down and meet it somewhere, and then it will. The other thing too is I heard, not financial advice, is that the short squeezed in January and in June. So maybe it'll happen in December, maybe January, where I guess the futures are involved somehow in ETFs, and so who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? So I just want to update you guys on this. And what else can we learn from this? Let's take the Bollinger Bands off. Indicators about moving averages. So it definitely broke to the bearish side. It broke all these moving averages. It is what it is. Yeah, break the 200 moving day average. That's a big one. That's a biggies. Yeah, I did breach the 200 moving day on the daily. So we want to get above this again. I'll take that out of the way. Another thing to think about is that AMC 26th to 27th. You're talking about the 25th to 27th. In the pattern of this time frame, it squeezed up. It squeezed up from let's say $4. So in a span of a day, maybe a day and a half, it squeezed from $4.50 to $20. So short squeezes happen really quick, like a volcanic eruption. You have this 21st of May, and then it runs up to June 2nd. It's a little over a week. So, but this is pretty rapid. Maybe look at some candlestick patterns in the future. So we gotta get above this 200 moving average. Otherwise, we could be stuck in some further bearishness for a while. But these are coming. This is coming up. This is converging down. So I think at some point it's going to converge. And who knows? Maybe something will happen. So, all right, guys. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Leave a comment and let's go. See you later.